What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you for tuning in. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you exactly how to set up your wholesaling real estate business for the most success and what system to use to do that. With that being said, this video is going to be value packed from the beginning all the way to the end, so make sure you stick around for the whole video. But let's get right into it. So today we're going to be talking about how is a wholesaling real estate business set up and what system should you be using. So a wholesaling real estate business is built up of three different components. First, we have our marketing department. This is where we are doing marketing to find motivated sellers. Then we have our sales department. This is where we are talking to the customers that have flowed in from our marketing, and this is where we are trying to acquire real estate at a discount. Then our final department, which is kind of like two departments in one, we have a disposition and transaction coordination department, along with a little bit of like a support part of the business, okay? And that's where we are selling the deals that we have found from our marketing that we've closed in our sales department. This is where we are trying to sell the deals to a cash buyer and then transacting them, getting them through the transaction process to the close so we can get the deals funded and get us paid. Now, you want to house your wholesaling business all in one main home, in one system. And so for that, we are using the Wholesale CRM, guys. The Wholesale CRM is a complete game changer for any wholesaling real estate business. This is the same system that took me from doing 1 to 3 deals a month to getting me to do 10 to 15 deals a month. And I give it all to this system because it made me get organized. It made me get focused. It made me get better at my follow-up. It made me organize my business into those 3 different components so that way I could grow and scale. This system is available at wholesaleCRM.com. Now, the best thing about this system is I'm using it for my own business. And I've been wholesaling real estate for 5 years. And in those 5 years, in the early years, the first couple of years, I tried a bunch of different CRMs, a bunch of different systems, and none of them were cutting it, right? There was tons of things in there that were confusing, that didn't really work, that I didn't need for my business, that just made it a mess. And a CRM is supposed to help you get organized. And I found that a lot of these systems out there were making me more unorganized. So what I did is I took the best components of all the systems that are out there and I got rid of all the stuff that's not necessary. I put what's most optimized in this system and I created the ultimate wholesaling CRM, client relationship management system. And here it is. It is available at Wholesale CRM for you to sign up. Guys, you can go get a full demo of the platform at wholesaleCRM.com for completely free. I'm going to give you a brief overview of it right now and show you how to set up your business and how it organizes it for you and how it breaks it up. So once you jump into the CRM, you're going to be at the home page. This is an activity page that shows you everything that's been going on in your company, a live feed of everything going on. On the right-hand side is some important resources and some data like how much money you've closed monthly. Some metrics are tracked right there. But then it breaks your company out into all the different departments. The sales department, right? And marketing. This is where all the seller leads from your marketing, they flow directly into that app. Then transactions. This is where every lead that becomes a deal is tracked right here. Every transaction is taken from contract to close, all in this one app. Every offer you get from a cash buyer is sent right into this app. This app handles building out your cash buyers list. It's going to create a profile for each and every cash buyer, keep track of your title companies, and then, guys, you want to keep track of your team members, your employees that are working for your business. This is it right there. It tracks every single team member, when they were hired, all their information, what department is that team member in. And then, guys, this system's going to do automatic follow-up for you. It's going to send texts and emails to the sellers for you on an ideal sequence with whatever you want the messages to say. And guys, when you sign up for Wholesale CRM, we actually provide you with the most ideal messages to send the seller and the most ideal sequence to send that gets us the best response rate. So you're going to be able to build out your autoresponders that are sending automatic follow-up exactly how we do to get the exact same results. And then KPIs. It's going to keep track of every single important metric that you need to track in a wholesaling real estate business. All right, so now that we've given you a brief overview, let's dive into some of the stuff that makes this system the best. So let's jump into the Seller Leads app. So like I said, When you are conducting marketing, whether it's cold calling, text blasting, SMS, direct mail, digital ads, once you find a motivated seller from your marketing, that lead is going to directly flow into the system. This system integrates with any marketing channel. Then once that lead comes in, a seller lead profile is going to be created for them. And a bunch of important metrics are tracked on the left-hand side, like how many new leads you have, how many leads are interested, not interested, how many contracts you've gotten signed for the month, and so on. But let's jump into one of these seller lead profiles. When I talk about getting organized, it means creating a profile for each and every customer you're working with, and that's what this does. It's going to store all their information right here. The seller's name, the spouse name, the address, what team member is assigned to the lead, navigation, right? This is going to flow you through the app. So that way, if you need to get down to creating the contract real quick, just click that. Boom, it takes you to contract creation. And then next we go and it stores their contact information, seller phone, email. The Zillow information is going to automatically feed through. Then it's going to track what lead source did the lead come from, what marketing channel, telemarketing, website, RVM, SMS, what lead source did the lead come from? It's going to track what state the lead is in, and then it's going to keep track of how many times you've tried to contact the lead. And the best part about it is every time you click one of these, it's going to send automatic text and emails to the seller, letting them know that you tried to reach them. And then when you contact them, it's going to let them know and send them a text and an email saying, thank you so much for your time. And then next, it's going to keep track of how many written and verbal offers you're making. And it's going to track that by week and by month. So how many offers are you making every single month? Next, it's going to organize every lead by what status is it. Is it a new lead? Is it interested? Is it not interested? Is it dead? And it's going to put them in the proper bucket. Same thing with the temperature. Is the lead hot, warm, cold, or dead? And then we're going to get even deeper. We're going to organize each and every lead by their motivation. What is the reason they want to sell? Are they a tired landlord? Financial problems, medical problems, death, divorce? What is the reason they want to sell? And then automatic follow-up. Guys, like I mentioned, this is where you set up your automatic follow-up. So you can have different sequences. You're going to choose your sequence, and then you're going to click Start Autoresponder, and instantly like that, it's going to start following up with this seller for you with texts and emails automatically. Next, if the lead was a cold call lead, the seller information is going to be stored right there. And then boom, we move on to the next amazing thing. Are you tired of it taking so much time to fill out contracts word by word? All you have to do is input a few pieces of information, click Generate PDF, and it is going to go ahead and generate the contract for you and fill it out for you. And then you can email it to the seller at the click of a button as well. So if you want to send more offers and get more deals, you need to be able to generate your contracts automatically rather than filling them out, and this system does that for you. On the right-hand side, you're going to be able to take all your comments as you're talking to the seller, take all your notes. Now, I'm going to go over one more thing in this video, but then I want you to go to WholesaleCRM.com, and I want you to watch the full demo of the platform. You can get a full demo of it for free at WholesaleCRM.com, and then I want you to sign up to the platform. Guys, there's over 120 wholesale companies on this CRM, and I want you to sign up and become part of the family that are crushing it with this system. The next thing is the transactions app. So once a seller becomes a deal, you're going to go ahead and once you get that contract signed, you're going to click Contract Signed, Send to Transactions. What that's going to do is that's going to take all this information you've collected and it's going to send it over to the Transactions app and it's going to create a transaction for the deal. And it's going to give you all that information you collected. You're going to be able to choose what exit strategy. Is it a wholesale, novation, fix and flip? Then you're going to be able to go through the contract to close process step by step. So this is going to take your team through the exact step-by-step process to get the deal closed. So opening stage, file the contract, then send the contract and the information to the title company, then get the earnest money deposited, then introduce yourself to the seller, order pictures, all the contract details are going to flow over. Now we move on to the next stage. We're marketing the deal. Okay, post the deal to the web form. It's going to post this deal to a website for buyers to submit offers in on the deal for you in this system. Then marketing it, okay? Did you go through all the marketing channels? Have you posted it on Facebook? Have you emailed? Have you texted buyers? Did you post it on Facebook? Did you go on InvestorLift and try to sell the deal? Then when buyers submit offers in on the deal, those submitted offers are going to show up right here. And then if you schedule a showing to show the deal to a buyer, you can schedule that showing right there. And then boom, once we find a buyer, it moves us to the signing stage. Did we send the assignment contract? Did we get it signed? Did we send it to the title company? And then did we get the earnest money deposited from the buyer? It takes you through the process step by step so that way your team can do everything perfectly. And then boom, just like how we generated the purchase contract, we're going to be able to generate the assignment contract. All you do is fill out the buyer's info, what they're buying it for, how much earnest money, click generate the assignment contract, and just like that, the contract's going to be generated at the click of a button so you can send it to the buyer and get the deal sold. And then closing stage, it's going to calculate for you the amount of profit you're making on the deal. You can make all your comments there on the right-hand side. That's the transactions app. And then one last thing before I end this video, key performance metrics. It's going to track every single important metric you need to keep track of in your wholesaling business. How many leads are you getting daily, monthly, and per marketing channel? How many contracts are you getting signed per month? How many deals are you closing per month? How much revenue are you getting per month? And how much is each team member doing? All of that is going to be tracked in here. Guys, the Wholesale CRM is a complete game changer for any wholesaling real estate business. I highly recommend that you sign up for it. It literally organizes your business and keeps track of everything and puts you in those 3 components we talked about. Guys, wholesaling real estate is fairly simple. It's a marketing and a sales business and then support and transaction. So it is literally just conduct marketing to find motivated sellers. That's our marketing department. Then we get into our sales department. How we're going to take those leads that we got from our marketing, how are we going to convert them into deals? We need to acquire real estate on contract at a discount, and then boom, we need to go through the transaction process to get the deal closed. And this system does all of that. It organizes it all. If you want to have success as a wholesaler, you need to have a home, a centralized place for every department of your business. If you are not signed up for Wholesale CRM yet, go to wholesaleCRM.com, get a full demo of the platform, and sign up today. I promise you, this will help you do more deals. It helped me go from doing 1 to 3 deals a month to doing 10 to 15 deals a month. Yeah, there were some other factors that helped with that as well, but I can guarantee that one of the main factors that helped me grow my business to doing over $1 million a year was getting this system. So make sure you go sign up today. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you liked the video, make sure you hit the like button. If you're not already subscribed for the channel, go down below, hit the red button and subscribe. And other than that, I'll see you guys next time. Peace.